Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. On today's video, this is our collaboration. This is My Thing. My name is Penny and I have a lifestyle channel, and thank you so much for stopping in. This is our lovely host, Miss Yitra, and friends, her channel and the other creators' channel will be in my description box. Since I have so many vases, I decided to just create some more decor vases, but this is just something very easy and simple, just a basic, using glue and glitter to create a glam vase. I'm going to use my vase to decorate my coffee table to just give it a new look on today. A lot of these things I already had, so I decided to DIY a vase, and this is how it came out. Friends, a lot of times I just make it very easy and simple. I like simple decor, something easy that I can decorate. I like simple DIYs, and these gold flowers that you see in these beautiful white flowers I got from TJ Maxx are a DIY also. There were my greenery flowers, and all I did was spray painted them gold, and just to give it a different look on my coffee table on today. I also wanted to keep the look of the season, is spring, and Easter's just around the corner, so I just used my little white bunny I got from Target. All I did here is just change it around just a little bit, just to give it the same look, but just move things around and trying to find the best fit for it. Friends, this is the final look. I decided to add another tray, and I put the gold tray to the bottom with the bunny and the flower. So tell me what you think about this look. I hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. Please don't forget to go back and watch the playlist, the other creators, the host channel. Their channels will be linked in my description box. I pray that you have a blessed and prosperous day. And remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. Love you from Penny. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.